Hello, today we're going to talk about function notation and how to evaluate them. So the first thing I have to cover is some new notation. So here, you may be used to seeing an equation in terms of two variables. Usually y is equal to something. But now we're going to switch it up. We're going to upgrade. So instead of y, we're going to use this new notation here. We will use function notation instead. So now the question that we want to ask ourselves is, what does this mean? Well, let's take a look at this example. How would you read this function notation? Well, this variable tells you the name of your quote-unquote equation. So we're going to say h of whatever's inside the parentheses. So h of t equals 3 minus t. And that's how you would interpret this function notation. So let's try one more example. So now here, this equation, the name of it is g. So we're going to write, or we're going to interpret the equation by saying g of a this time, because a is what's inside parentheses, equals 6a minus 2. So before we learn how to evaluate these equations, we must understand what they mean. So for the next examples, I want you to practice interpreting the equations, and then when you come back, we'll begin to evaluate them.